Sarap. Sarap pa. Hello, highlighters! It's been a while since I've done food reviews, so let's try the new Jollibee chicken fillet sauce. There are two options, the tomato and cheese, and the pepper cream. Value ba siya for money? And kung uulit-ulitin natin, we will just tell the truth about this one. Okay, ito lang yung concern agad. So, I think this is the cheese. Hindi siya melted. So, yan. So, let's try. And cheese. Para sa mozzarella cheese. So, here's the verdict. If you've tasted Jollibee Pizza Melt Pie, yung noon-noon pa, same taste, halos siya. At na-miss ko yun, Jollibee. Sana ibalik nyo yun. Medyo manamis-namis siya. Ayun. Para siyang sweet style na medyo maasim-asim, na mapaminta. Alam niyo, parang lasang pimiento. Na para siyang apritada. Medyo ganun. Actually, yummy siya. Ulitin niyo to. And crunchy yung yung pinaka-chicken patty niya, fillet. Yan. Next one, let's try the pepper cream. Yes, yan. Let's try. Kain. The taste is more likely the same yung gravy na lang. Which is, pero, mas improve nga lang. Mas lasa mo yung mushroom taste. So, if you're going to ask me, which one do I like the most? The pepper cream or the tomato and cheese? Tomato and cheese ako. Yan. Yee. Siguro for this one, I'll rate it 8 out of 10. Then for this tomato and cheese, 9 out of 10. Nice innovation by Jollibee. And for sure, ulit-ulitin nyo. Matutuwa naman kayo dito. So tara, kain, highlighters. Wait na yung kanin pala. Wait na. Kain.